When you write this, hey Sewa, we know what you've been up to in this country. What do you know?
Where did you pick that from?
That is your Twitter page.
Okay.
That
Twitter is about agenda.
What's this agenda? So in other words, it's about fooling and saying stupid things. That is meant to tarnish someone else's image.
Yeah, can't you know? Debbie, na behu. At this particular point, this is a strategy to buy 1 CD, 2 CD, 3 CD, 5, even 50 pesos. Na ya mo no enfan koma ye be ma Bongo Ideas build. Enya said ya jail na no beko. Bongo Ideas akokan Kojo Forex asema ko di na temo media na so. Ama Kojo Forex. E Bongo Ideas akojina court. Obejine say was my lord. Meji Bongo Ideas 10 billion 10 billion Ghana cedis. Judge artist what is say na bedru 1.7 billion. Aha Penyah blog media. Message us any day. Over like video that my subscribe button so. Na be click notification icon for latest update. Oba so no watch video ma unu so enya bi ahwe. Yenye nim say Kojo Forex there. You know media is or chileska or showska or live luxury life because or your forex trader or the sika edidwa e media na so. Enya media so kura na just say ko ewiase 10 tan kese ma abe for fidie 10 tan kese ni ma internet no so a Kojo Forex or the sika edidwa omo deal with crypto more cryptography no yes but the cryptocurrency one no you know meme coin one coin Penyah coin those coins what sometimes otuminya mfaso ebiso oboka just or your online investor and you say oba Ghana no ma metimaka say Ghana's most biggest social media critic Bongo Ideas just asema hanfo bi ho otu be be dwuno comments akwari atama betena Twitter no all huru we ne brofo de we are very good at writing Emma yebeka ya even in 2022 kran okas oko na twetwere oko twere nsemi fa na ba na anamo ho ene se wa mi he ho Emma na program bi ekos e wo GH1 TV ani atudini your next star audition ekos Bongo Ideas ekopiaze ekogu ne ho animu ase.
Welcome to another edition of
Has a blog
right
been
fact. So I don't think I'll be
you write
facts.
When you write this, hey Sewa, we know what you've been up to in this country. What do you know?
Where did you pick that from?
That is your Twitter page.
Okay.
That
Twitter is about agenda.
What's this agenda? So in other words, it's about fooling and saying stupid things. That is meant to tarnish someone else's image. What's this factual about what you've written about Sewa?
I mean, Twitter is a different world, you know.
How? Twitter?
Get that right. You can't even spell am I. You can't even spell it. Yet you think you can sit behind a phone and write crap on Twitter about people. Simple am I. You can't spell it. But that's not the point. You question people's relevance. How relevant do you think you are? Because I've seen tweets of you rubbishing Lydia Forson too.
I need to get the source of. I mean,
It's your phone. Your phone is in your pocket.
You said you deal
phone
with
is
facts.
off.
Yes. No, I even wrote just on October 10 that the 4.5k issue that person is paid more than you at GH1 TV.
Do you know my salary?
I mean, like, how did you know?
that's why I'm telling you that what you see on Twitter is different from.
When you sit on Twitter and you write utter nonsense about people. You've said horrible things about me, Sewa, Lydia Forson, Bridget, other people on your Twitter. Here I am. Say it to my face.
Why should I?
Why shouldn't you?
Because Twitter is not real life.
I have always said that people who bully people, when they see them, they can't even talk.
You can't even.
You are a very
can't even
clear
express-
example of those
You
people.
can't. If you sit on Twitter and you say that it's a different life, and you can insult Lydia Forson that you haven't met before, and if you meet her, you will go shush.
In
You
fact,
can't
you can't
speak
even-
like right now.
Because it looks like when you meet real human beings, you can't express
speak.
yourself.
You can know you go back on Twitter and write
And
crap.
yes.
Go ahead. I don't
At least.
care. But the thing is, you couldn't say it to my
Ehon ye kwatere to ana bi kirom senka amani hu na Bongo Ideas ko famu enka won fa we nsu nyansa na wonyai eze kianeke chama still be on tiase et Bongo Ideas edna twetwere ye en okotwere enkwase asemfo Kojo Forex ho in 2022 before so okotwere that no din kan Kojo Forex edin amu say Kojo Forex uni aketua maba tell them how to make money on the internet ebi say unya mebre atwetwere dwuma atwere emfa We go on GH base or yet more GH base. Emu yi na di. Ni twetwe or yeah story because go suma a guy. Because of that. Yeah for ya bongo ideas every GH base. Kojo Forex emu wa unia onimu nua said na temi de na de idea. Ana sikani bias no betro ni secret. Etu wan fi unia. I just say she bongo ideas she na. Ana unia call on Twitter. Ana go try say I hate to give that fraudsters like Kojo Forex a bite of my so-called ill-gotten clout, but a Ponzi schemer who steals from people and comes online to probably show off deserve some hooting. Pay the people you've defrauded first, and let's see if I could consider you for beefing. Odinga ko no DM e kwatwere se Charlie Tirame maba ajenkwa wadana afe de ma pemi hu de minyo eje miure maba Kojo Forex Tirame kwan fa se piska Kojo Forex emu ano eno ke kan antro DM para se wan fi no kan antro ene je siwunia we just so obi a ono no scammer media no so no de na adwene bu amanfo ene nya ska so media no be show ska aya na ene hi se ni pe person on me go beef a Charlie ene before say metia se kwasem no be ko beef no obi a wa fraud ni bia ni twatwa sangofo nyina sika ma wo mu ansana me bongo ideas ma dwene ho say me no e be go beef. And about to ask you say, can we have a conversation about the numerous people you've sold your darkly tainted forex trading ideas to at a high fee without resource? The number of people out there who feel defrauded by you. You know, say, forex trade now. So yeah, also sometimes yeah, Kojo Forex or have forex trading master class. Will be our person or enter into forex trading or church or hold online course or online course amount photo or say hold online class. I know you say, oh more, this your fraud and any will claim say we church room. And if I don't do I was decide we because obi register utreska. Yanka omuasem dodo omatweska awotwe omadi at the end ade a otiro nyansa bia memfa so bia ma omuso no yanka omuasem kakra. What I say, let's take some time and talk about them. The rare ones who know who you are won't fall for your Ponzi scheming social media rich life out. Or you say, oh yeah, you knew one pa de yeah, you knew Kojo Forex in there. That was social media Ponzi scheme life now. Oh yeah now. We would show this kind of rich fake life of social media there. We will never fall a victim. Because them say, oh yeah, Ponzi scheme, oh yeah, fraudster. Media and so, oh do I do the DD, ubu amount for media and so, oh yeah, fraudster. Oh confirm because online investment at the end, watch your amount for the. There's a na unia, a person or chiremu. And of that, say, forex trading alone did not give you these things. You do other shady business. If you legitimately make so much, why charge to teach? Tell the world the truth or I roll. What do you mean? I say, Kojo, frustrated you away. And man will scare biasa. And fast so baby and shut up. Now, okay, it's also in your scar. I don't know. Before so better amount for more musu I'll be keep this because already you are billionaire. It's other than the little knowledge you person impact on people. No. Why must they pay? Why do you charge them? Kind of cry. And yes, me and Casamba want to have a kind of cry. And what they are doing, a posty, a go on a Twitter. Ten. That's what they must some expose be about. Kojo Forex. Now, I don't know Kojo Forex. I can carry a baby. Idea Bongo Ideas ayan or the gumi di hufi, enemy business, enemy brand, it mame and Tiana. It is actually true, and unia Kojo Forex, Eddie Bongo Ideas, echo court. You could Bongo Ideas, a good di hufi or sending brand our building any business, unia SNO or the dinner media cyber bullying. Just or can you may a effort the junior de time I call court. Emma Oko seen for defamation fee of what? 1 million Ghana cedis. That is 10 billion old Ghana cedis. Only court say aban court judge any 10 billion and through Bongo Ideas or more no Kojo Forex and fan partner kuma. And now and yama watch your fana. Now that lawsuit no. Ni din fi ni manema waye nyina no. One or charging 1 million Ghana cedis. That is 10 billion or 10 billion. 2, a perpetual injunction retaining the defendant from further publishing or causing to be published the above stated statement or any words similarly defamatory of the plaintiff. And was I share court say court some after some much 10 billion cedis no ama mawie no monsa amfa o hye bi entu nua so sere be ya o free ha kwa on san ko church ne mafunu emfa me ho biem. That is 3, an unqualified public apology. Ana maji $10 billion na mama wie na masade o sha tunu se o kwa mongo twetwe bi amfa ho biem no monsa ma ne me pama chew bedwamu e me pama chew. This is the case ya unia file against Bongo Ideas. Ese 1 waguna ni masa gunu di hu fi media nti obeje no 10 billion Ghana cedis, that is 1 million new Ghana cedis. Old it is kind of 10 billion. 2 oma just kana me na wie no omo fa o hye bi nto no so sere bia okwa onko twetwe ni mafunu enfam di hu bi. Ana 3 o me pamacho in a public apology. Every case ya file against Bongo Ideas in June 17, 2023. It is known as court John Davra, and known at 2025. It was a court. Atna asem no so ewie. The court share Bongo Ideas say 1. Enema and smart California they go ni hu fi dia same din nyina no. For the general damages, yeah Joe 100,000 Ghana cedis, that is 1 billion. Enya no nko a afeyewi a compensatory damage. What I say? Obesa compensate no because what say ni the 100,000 Ghana cedis are for the general defamation. After we know, obesa compensate no say unu ya order me sorry. What I say? Me sorry. Ada be me anye ni betua oka, but me sorry. The compensation ebesa wo mu 50,000 Ghana cedis. Aside the 1 billion, obesa tua 50,000 Ghana cedis as compensation. Oh yeah, enya no kwa unwie ye. Last obesa betua 20,000 cedis. That is the cost of the damages. It is how we can bomwa out of 1 million Ghana cedis now. Case now we are filing against Bongo Ideas no. And coordinate 10 billion. Court attitude to say who the court attitude no. Or Bongo Ideas 1.7 billion old Ghana cedis are obetua Ediama Kojo Forex na itu no akwatwe de twere. Now kai say o demand public apology e ka ho bi entinye sika nan kwa o hia sika 1.7 billion. 2 public apology. 3 on hweye wan twere no ho asem bia bi. And at this particular moment the yenim e kwanya Bongo Ideas ebefa so a obetua 1.7 billion Ghana cedis. In case Bongo Ideas ed in a public apology ni ba meba ebetam na mabi dwamu edi amount. Before then, I Penyah Block Media background.